Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, we got that remote and it's not working today. We want to see what's wrong with it. Okay, it locks the car, you can see the light, okay, but doesn't unlock it. No matter what you do, the button for the trunk works fine as well. So I think it's just a loose button. We'll just attempt to repair this one. We've done it in the past and they lasted a long time. And it's really inconvenient to use a solder gun for those because they're too small and you have to be really good. And it's time consuming. To be honest with you, I prefer to buy a new remote and program it, but if you don't have the equipment to program it, and we'll show you what we can probably try to fix it. We've done it in the past. Okay, you can see how nasty that thing is inside. We definitely need to clean it. Okay, and that's what we need right here. So that's the unlock button, and as you can see, it moves, so it's loose. And if I bring it here, the light works, which means that it will be working good, I think. We'll go ahead and clean it now. Stay with us and I'll show you how we're going to use the super glue to fix it. So we're going to use rubbing alcohol, any kind of alcohol, guys, that cleans really good. Okay, you can use it on a Q-tip, works really good, but I don't have one at the shop, probably for a good reason. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the button to the side. Okay, you can see that's the button right here. Okay, and now we're going to clean where it's contacting. Okay, just like that. You can see all the greasy, nasty stuff because there was a hole in the button and it got inside. Okay, and we're going to clean the button on the bottom as well. Okay, just like that. And now I'll try to place it in place again where it's supposed to be. Put it in place and see if it works and which position it needs to be. Okay, and as you can see, it works fine. So what I'm going to do now, okay, like that. It's hard to get it there where it's supposed to be. Now this button actually needs to be cleaned a little bit right here because it's sticking, I noticed. So it has a little bit of dirt stuck in it. Okay, on the edge. Alright guys, we have it in place now. That thing is so precise. Okay, I just want to get it where it's supposed to be. Okay, test it now, it works. So I'm going to hold it now like that on this side, and I'm going to put a very small amount of super glue right there and just wait for it to dry now. Alright guys, and if you click, you see it works. So what we're going to do, that the button doesn't move anywhere. I'm going to go ahead actually and install it. Let me see which way it goes first. Or maybe it goes in the other one. We'll see. I think it goes here first, and we'll see how it is in the car actually, because that's when you put that rubber thing, it's a way different story. Okay, and this one is supposed to go in, but something is preventing it from. Okay, just like that. Okay, and let's go ahead and see if it works on the car actually. Okay, so now we have the, let me show you now. Okay, lock button. Okay, unlock. Unlock works. Okay, now lock. Okay, unlock. So it works perfectly fine, guys. You can see the light works, so that works for us. It can save you quite a bit of money, but if you get glue on the contacted area on the metal plates, it's not going to work, so you need to clean it with acetone and try again. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. You're just sharing an idea how, if it's completely messed up, you just give it a try so you don't lose anything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.